Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this electric blue eye look, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. To start off, I'm gonna be using this base from Benefit Cosmetics. Just after, we'll use some foundation. This foundation from Makeup Forever is very light and leaves a natural finish. As a concealer, I will use the Shape Tape and I will apply it to the areas that I feel that I need some more light. I blend it in usually into the skin with a fluffy brush, and also I like to use it as an eyeshadow base. This will keep in place the eyeshadows and make a more pigmented result. As a face powder, I'm gonna be using this one, which is very cute I think, and it smells for real like bananas. And for the eyes, I'm gonna be using the white palette from Urban Decay, and I'm gonna tell you that this one wasn't the best palette I ever had. Actually, the colors are very pigmented and very pretty, but I think like it's a bit difficult to blend and smooth the shades, so I don't know, I'm a bit confused. A lot of blending and applying color and blending again. On the blue, I would like to add a color which will be a bit more bright, so that's why I'm gonna be taking the Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. It's a nice gold highlighter, but because my skin tone is very light, it doesn't look that pretty on my skin as a highlighter. That's why I use it as an eyeshadow usually. So I think it matches with this blue and it gives more brightness to the eye look. Here it's nice to use a flat brush and press the brush on the skin, and after you can use also your fingers for more pigmented result. I add some glitter, some mascara, and give us some shape on my eyebrows. This bronzer I think is very nice because it was like 4 or 5 euros the price, and it's very similar to the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I always like to hydrate my lips before the lipstick, especially if the lipstick is a bit matte, so I let it on my lips. Add a bit highlighter and lips. This one is a matte shade, that's why I will apply some lip gloss on the top. And we're ready. I hope you like this video. I wish you have a very nice day and to see you back soon.